I've been exploring the YNAB mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the YNAB app. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, is a budgeting app designed to help you take full control of your money by assigning every dollar a specific job. Instead of just tracking what you spend after the fact, YNAB uses a zero-based budgeting system where you plan your spending, savings, and debt payoff ahead of time, so you're never shocked by surprises. In terms of features, YNAB connects securely with your bank and credit card accounts to import transactions, but it still asks you to categorize and assign your money manually. The app divides your budget into categories like bills, wants, needs, and savings goals. You get clear visuals showing how much you've budgeted and how much you've spent in each category, with alerts to warn you if you're close to overspending. You can share your budget with up to 5 people, making it great for households or couples working on finances together. It syncs across phones, tablets, desktops, and even Alexa devices, so your budget stays up to date everywhere. Plus, it offers detailed reports and charts showing trends in your spending and tracking your net worth over time. From my personal experience, it's a bit of a commitment. You'll need to check in regularly to categorize transactions and adjust budgets. Setting it up took me some focused time to create all the categories and link my bank accounts properly. But once it's running, I found it surprisingly rewarding to see where every dollar was going, and the visual feedback helped me avoid overspending without stressing about it daily. I liked how easy it was to reassign money from one category to another as priorities changed. Sharing the budget with a partner helped us stay aligned too. That said, switching banks or fixing connection hiccups sometimes required a bit of troubleshooting. The app runs smoothly on my phone, and the customer support and tutorials are very helpful. On the downside, YNAB isn't for someone looking for a set-it-and-forget-it app. It requires regular, hands-on management and some financial discipline, which can feel tedious if you're not used to budgeting this way. Its subscription cost is higher than many competitors at $14.99 a month or $109 annually, though it does offer a 34-day free trial. Also, it only uses the zero-based budgeting method, so if you want other budgeting styles, you'll need to look elsewhere. Overall, YNAB is an excellent tool if you want a deep, visual, and active way to master your budget and improve your financial habits with real-time insights. So if you're ready to invest the time and mental energy, it's definitely worth trying, especially with the free trial letting you test it out first. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.